Meaning of Eskimo.
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 Eskimo. The term Eskimo is a commonly used name for the indigenous peoples who inhabit the northern regions of Canada, Greenland, Alaska, and Siberia. However, the word has been considered offensive by many of these people, who prefer to be referred to by their specific tribe or nation. The word Eskimo is thought to have originated from an Algonquin term meaning eaters of raw meat, but this is disputed. Nevertheless, its use has been discouraged in favor of more accurate and respectful terms such as Inuit, for those living in Canada, and Yupik, for those living in Alaska and Siberia.